Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about liability insurance in the United States. Liability insurance, also called third-party insurance, is a part of general insurance system of risk financing to protect the purchaser, the insured from the risks of liabilities imposed by lawsuits and similar claims and protects the insured if the purchaser is sued for claims that come within the coverage of the insurance policy. Originally, individual companies that faced a common peril formed a group and created self-help fund out of which to pay compensation should an member incur loss. In other words, a mutual insurance arrangement. The modern system relies on dedicated carriers, usually for profit, to offer protection against specified perils in consideration of a premium. Liability insurance is designed to offer specific protection against third party insurance claims. Payment is not typically made to the insured, but rather to be something suffering loss who is not party to the insurance contract. In general, damage caused intentionally as well as contract liability are not covered under liability insurance policies. When a claim is made, the insurance carrier has the duty to defend the insured. The legal costs of a defense normally do not affect policy limits unless the policy expressly states otherwise. This default rule is useful because defense costs tend to soar when cases go to trial. In many cases, the defense portion of the policy is actually more valuable than the insurance. As in complicated cases, the cost of defending the case might be more than the amount of being claimed, especially in so-called nauseous causes, cases where the insured must be defended even though no liability is ever brought to trial. Commercial liability. Market about commercial liability is an important segment for the insurance industry. With premium income of 160 billion USD in 2013, it accounted for 10% of global non-life premiums of USD 550 billion or 20% of global commercial life premium. The US is far the largest market with 51% of global liability premiums written in 2013. This is due to the size of US economy and the high penetration of liability insurance, 2.5% of GDP. In 2013, US business spent 84 billion USD on commercial liability covers, of which 50 billion USD was general liability, including USD 12 billion for errors and omissions, and USD 5.4 billion for directors and officers. US businesses spent another 13 billion USD on the liability portion of commercial multi-peril policies, USD 9.5 billion for medical malpractice, and USD 3 billion to product liability covered. In continental Europe, the largest liability insurance market, Germany, France, Spain, etc. There is a penetration of liability insurance is much lower than in most other advanced economies, which has increased demand for employees liability insurance. It has mandatory covers for aviation, maritime, oil pollution, and residential construction, and in certain states for medical practitioners.